1 minute grid. From that high, 6:02 UK time to that low 7:03. Vertical line to the start of the UK session. Okay. Okay, Gian, trend on the 5 minutes. What is it on the Dow?
On the Dow, we are very close to each other, 821, about to cross over depending on what we do on the opening. And US tick is very messy at this moment.
Perfect. Yeah, but we know that because of the 5 minute trend.
Yeah, we are in that consolidation area.
That's it. Extension foot. The opening price level of the day, and that's important to us. Just pushing down a little bit just before open. Significant high low. I think it's going to be quite a tight range to start off the day. Here we are. And it's 10 o'clock, which is opened. Let's have a look and see what it's going to do for us. Okay, as we open, a little separation over here. Just going to give it a minute to settle down, and we'll start. Okay, no change to 1 minute grid for now. Possibility of double top US tech. We've had this little separation. We're not going to chase that. What we are going to do is just keep moving that possible extension foot up. Okay, resistance on the 5 minutes, as I see it now, is 50 moving average. We move into the consolidation zone on the Dow on the daily high low. US tech also pushing up above the 50 moving average. Okay, US tech also gave us a separation there. On open, we missed that as it opened. Okay, I don't have an extension for fail. I do, however, have it on US tech. Let's do that measurement. It's breaking trade now, 4 points. It's not worth it. Okay, there's down. Trend is up on the 5 minutes. Next resistance is 50 level of the daily high low. Break the 61.8 to the 77. Break 77, we chase 89. It's only 11 points, and you can go for the 5. Spread at the moment, about 2 points. It's nice. I would mark it out. Okay, next triggers are going to be for shorts. That'll be against the 5-minute trend. I see Dow's crossed over now. We're waiting for confirmation. 8 is above 21. US tech, and they're on top of each other there.
It looks like they're on top of each other there.
So the trend there really can't be defined. I don't see any 5-minute setups right now, do you? You need to wait for opening range.
Yeah.
And then maybe we get something. Are we ever going to get coffee again? Okay, watching US tech first one, I think, for a little bit of a short there. Let's just check these levels again, 1-minute grid. 8 points. I can't push them more than 5. Okay. Okay, 1 minute, we've got 89% retracement there. Resistance on the down now in 5 minutes is the 50 level of the daily high low. US Tech possible little double top there on the 5 minutes. I just want to bring this screen across because I want to show you a story here. Yeah, on the, just watch that resistance there. You see 1, 2, 3. Break of that, we're aiming for that target on the down, on the 5 minute. But these resistance levels can be very strong. I've taken it from a significant high, so it's all good. There's no one coming down through there, for example, but that shouldn't be right. There's the 50 resistance and the daily high low. We're waiting for opening range. Possible double top there on the US step. Thank you. And still very much in consolidation there on the 5 minutes on US step. Okay, so we know where the resistance is on the 5. Let's see if we're going to break or we're going to bounce. And at the moment, it looks like we're going to push down a little bit, but let's wait for the trigger. There's double top level on US tech. Quite an interesting one. Excuse me. Trend retracement, that's extension foot failed to 127. That's a target. I'm waiting for the stochastic triggers. If you want to look at that, 100 to 127, about 16 points. And then what we need on US Tech, just to follow through, watch your 5 minute charts if we break that possibility of a double top and we chase the 38.2 of the 5 minute grid. Okay, just looking at this story, 77 to 61 is 15 points. It's not a bad range. So I am watching here. You'll see the signal starting to pull through now. Signal line above, stochastic break of 50. So Dow is giving me early warning. I am taking this trade. It's 5 points. Hopefully we get to the 61.8 there. That will take me out. You can see 21 EMA support there. US Tech is also doing the same thing. Are you taking US Tech?
I'm on the Dow.
Okay. This is the first leg down. It is against the 5 minute trend, and that's why I'm only taking 5 points. Support on the 5 minutes is the 50 moving average.
Also short on
Break that.
Also short on US Tech.
Okay, you've taken US Tech, nice. That's 50 moving average support now that it's going to be a hook.
Mm.
$50 level of the stochastic is holding. We need that follow through. One, two, three, four, five, six. We don't have enough yet to put an extension fib. I'm watching that 77. I'm not happy. No follow through yet. In a few secs, at 89 must be my stop. It's a little bit, risk reward is not great. So 50 moving average and 5 bounces perfectly. Okay, US tech's trying again. Let's hope the Dow does as well. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay, I can move the extension for quickly just to get levels. Have we got a 50% retracement? Yes, we do. We're in the consolidation area between 61 and 38. Break 61, 77. Omega 61 is my stop. I'm going to keep it tight.
Yeah, 1 minute we may possibly be setting up for a separation long.
Absolutely, that's what I'm worried about as well. Trend in the 5 minute is up. Now, what we have to be careful of, if we break this 23, is the 11. We're now strong valleys. Let's try again. Is the 11, and then possibility of double bottom. And now we're going to double bottom. $50 moving average support on 5 again. Broken. I just need spread. What's it? I'm watching the 61 there. I'm hoping we come back to 50 moving average in 5. We've closed above the 22. We've broken previous candle low. Next level of support is 50 on the 1, but it's 50 on 5 that's holding us. It's not a separation, doesn't qualify. Getting ready to stop, and I'm out. Trade again. I'm stated for my first trade of the day as a stop.
Me too.
I'm just moving the extension fib to that low there. Extension fib fails 100 to 127, it's 10 points. Okay, at that double top, we're on the 50 level of the daily high low. Now, if it breaks that, we can go to the other side. So I'm looking at that for a long. That is in the direction of the 5-minute trend. I've got a little extension fib here as well. Watch the dart from me at that double top, please, just while I recall here. How many points will that be? Probably very few. 3. No, not looking at that. 89, we know how strong that can be. Break of that, we have the double top break of 100. I'm aiming for 127. Is in the direction of 5-minute trend. It means we've broken the 50 level of the daily high low. On the zone moving averages, we're trading above them all on 1 minute. But on, remember that trend line resistance that I showed just now? We're just below that as well. So there's a few things to watch here. You have to break 50 on the daily high low and trend line resistance.
Watch out for breaking that double tops.
Thank you.
It's very close.
On that trend line right now, we're on the 50 level daily high low. A lot of resistance on the 50 level daily high low if I go to the left-hand side in the morning. Double top holds, expect a 50% retracement of the move. We've got 3-4 minutes to go for opening ranges. Will you prepare? You are preparing so long. Thank you. Again, watching for that break of double top. And there. Okay. So what have we got? We've got 50 level of daily high low, which is a challenge. We've also got that trend line. Now, trend line, just want to check it out. Yeah, 1, 2. This is the third hit. This is the third hit. Might get a little retracement. And then we need to watch this 100 level here. That is double top levels, not double top, just resistance levels. And you can see clearly what's holding it is here. That's first target ABCs. But we need to get through this first. Reasonably close there. There's double top levels. Well, not double top, just resistance. So, sorry. There's a break. Okay, it's 25 plus. I'm just going to steal the levels from Tiana. That's the low of the opening range based on FTSE open. That is the high. Been close to stopping. Watch US tech for a short. It's just the one on the grid. Moving average support. US tech is triggered here. If you want to take that, I'm just watching that down.
I'm in on the US tech. I'm short.
Yeah.
Is against the trend, so I'm just going for that 5 points.
Yeah.
Just watch out for that 50 level of the opening range on the US tech as level of support.
At a 50% retracement there, break of 38, I'm definitely out. Setting up for a short on the Dow. Now I'm taking that stop, just turning the cylinder for a second, so maybe it doesn't do what I was saying next. Okay, not much happening. Let's watch 1 minute with possibility there of moving average across. Did you TP on
Yeah, just your TP.
USD?
USD.
Yeah. Okay. We have got that resistance. We got that moving average cross possibility on 1 minute. Okay, so Dow is indicating short.
I am short on the Dow.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the break of that 50 moving average.
Yeah, that could. Oh, yeah.
Okay, what we have to watch for is the 11 there, but that's not quite the right place. Down there.
You also have that 50 simple moving average on the Dow.
I'm happy to hold this one. You're right. It's the 50 on the 1 minute, but what I'm happy to hold it for is the possibility of moving average cross over here. Now, as those moving averages cross, you often get a little bit of green, a little bit of noise. It is against the 5 minute trend. Again, we sit on 50 moving average. You're right here on 5 minutes. Okay, let's watch for double bottom over there. Support there.
The US tick currently bouncing off that 38.2 level of the opening range and the 50 of the daily high low.
I'm just stealing the opening range levels from you on both markets. So we're at the lower opening range on US Tech now. Right?
Yes, that level of the 38.2 is 15938.8.
Give me the 50 level for that market, please.
It's 15951.9.
And for the Dow, the middle level,
it's 35584.7.
Thanks. Okay, let's watch that 11 again, the 0 again. It's 50 moving average on 5, it's 50 moving average on 1.
Strong levels.
Next support is 38.2 on the Dow of the daily high low. Stochastic is following through on 1 minute. The stochastic is on the 50 level on 5 on US Tech. So we're watching US Tech for a short. Also watch US Tech. We know the story back to the opening price of the day at some point. There's that support. I need it to break.
Just need spread on Dow trade.